Tired of hunting for a star symbol in Word? I get it. You need one for a flyer, a kid's birthday invitation, or maybe just to mark something as important. And you end up clicking through every tab in the ribbon hoping to spot it. It feels like it should be obvious, but it never is. Well, here is the good news. You can insert one in 10 seconds with this simple trick. No more aimless searching, I promise. So here is the plan. I am going to show you exactly where to click. We will go to the Insert tab, then find Shapes, and then pick your star. That is it. 3 clicks and you are done. All right, let us start. Open up your Word document and look at the very top of the window. You have that long horizontal menu bar, the ribbon. We are going to click the tab that says Insert. Now this is the home base for just about anything you want to add that is not plain text. Pictures, tables, headers, and yes, even shapes. So go ahead and click on that Insert tab right now. Once you click it, the whole ribbon changes. You will see a whole bunch of new options appear. And this is where people get lost. There are icons everywhere. But do not worry, I am going to walk you right to it. Look for a button that says Shapes. It is usually in the Illustrations group, right next to the Icons button. It is a rectangular icon with a circle and maybe a triangle inside. Go ahead and click on that Shapes button. A huge drop-down menu will fly open. This might look overwhelming at first because there are dozens of options. Rectangles, lines, arrows, flowchart symbols, you name it. Now pay attention to this part. Scroll down that menu. Keep going past all the block arrows and the flowchart boxes. At the very bottom of that long list, you are going to see a section called Stars and Banners. This is where the magic happens. Hover your mouse over that section and you will see several different star options. There is a classic 5-point star, a 4-point star for a sparkle effect, even a burst shape that looks like an explosion. Pick whichever one works for your project. Just click on that star shape. Once you click it, your cursor will turn into a little crosshair. Now go to your document where you want the star and just click and drag. Hold down the left mouse button and drag outwards to make the star as big or as small as you want. Let go of the mouse button and there it is. Your star appears instantly. And here is the really cool part. That star is now a shape object. So you can click on it to select it, grab the corner handles to resize it, or drag it around to reposition it. If you want to change the color, just go up to the Shape Format tab that pops up and pick a new fill color. You can make it gold, red, blue, or even add an outline. See how fast that was? From hunting through menus to having a perfect star on your page in under 30 seconds. Next time you need a quick symbol, you know exactly where to go. Insert, Shapes, Stars and Banners. Done. Now go make that document shine.